All right, I've got some BMW news for you guys. So BMW just released the third generation 2023 BMW X1. And then they also sent us the retailed ordering guide for that. So I'm gonna let you guys know what the pricing is for the brand new X1. Let's hop into the product bulletin. Before I do, smash the like button, help me out, and let's hop into the numbers.
Okay, so on the first page of the product bulletin, the first thing I noticed is that we have the start of production for July of 2022. We also have a different engine. So last year it was on the ordering guide, it was the B46 engine. Now we have the B48 engine. This isn't the same as in the X3 or say the 2 Series. That one would be the B48 B20 and this is the B48 A20. Now on the next slide, as far as the pricing, so the base MSRP this year is $44,990. Last year it was only $42,425. That is a price increase of just over $2,500. Paint options are also changed. There's some paints that were removed: cashmere silver, glacier silver, sparkling brown metallic, mineral gray, Masano blue, sunset orange. All of those have been removed. We do have a lot of new colors. Portimao blue is new. San Marino green, which is coming over from the 4 Series, I think is going to look fantastic. Frozen pure gray metallic. Blue Bay Lagoon metallic is a new. Cape York green metallic is new. Utah orange is the new one, which is in the launch color, and space silver metallic are all new, so that's very interesting. And then one thing I noticed as well is Phytonic blue now can be ordered with the M Sport package. Last year you could not combine the M Sport package and Phytonic blue, so that's interesting. Now moving into the upholstery, we only have Sansatec. There is no real leather option. We're only going to have perforated Sansatec, and it looks like the Oyster perforated Sansatec and the Mocha and the Black are all no charge, and there's a new Coral Red and Black perforated Sansatec for $500. So no decor red, but we have a red and black coral, so it's going to be a lot of a brighter color. We also have unique seats to the X1. I'm going to release a highlight product bulletin, so stay tuned for that. Getting into our actual packages, Premium Essential Package, $3,400. So the package is a little cheaper, and also, some things that were in it last year, like the alarm system, are now standard features with the vehicle. One thing I did notice, the only vehicle in BMW's lineup where front heated seats are not a standard option, and it is part of that essential package. So heated steering wheel, comfort door access, panoramic sunroof, auto dimming and folding mirrors, heated seats, front, and the wireless charging device tray is all part of that essential package. And then going into enhanced package, we have interior camera. The only other car you'll see interior camera on is the iX, so it's pretty cool to see that on the new X1. We have the Parking Assistant Plus with surround view, so that's the 360 cameras, Harman Kardon sound system, digital cockpit professional, head-up display with augmented reality, and the BMW drive recorder. Now it's very interesting because I thought the car comes standard with the curved display screen, so I'm not sure if 6U3 and ZHD for head-up display are redundant. On other vehicles, Digital Cockpit Professional is turning into head-up display. I'd like a little bit more clarification on that from BMW personally. And then we have the BMW drive recorder, which is going to use those 360 cameras. It should just be part of the same code, but it is what it is. Package price is $6,250. Now there is a new optional package, X-Line package. Last year this was standard feature. Now it's going to include basically satin aluminum roof rails, satin aluminum window surrounds, Sansatec dashboard. That's all going to be part of the X-Line package. So it seems like we're going to be getting a matte black window trim. X-Line is going to give it aluminum, and then the M Sport package will give you the high gloss black exterior content. So that window surround, and looks like you're also going to be high gloss black roof rails, the M Leather Sport steering wheel, the Steptronic transmission with paddle shifters. So in the M Sport package of the Steptronic transmission, a standard feature you'll get into it later is going to be a dual clutch transmission. So that's very interesting to see. M Sport package is $2,700. The options package for the X1 is pretty slim. You have a few different wheel options you can do. One thing I was wondering if we were going to see here was the M Sport brakes. So it seems like there was no colored M Sport brakes option on the X1. Previous generation, you could have got blue M Sport brakes if you wanted to, or red M Sport brakes. This one, there's just no option for that at all. Universal garage door opener as an individual feature. Looks like you can also get these satin aluminum roof rails and the satin aluminum window surround as a no charge option without having to get the X-Line package. And the roof rails would be a $500 option. But satin aluminum window surround as a no charge option is pretty good. Sport seats are also part of that M Sport package, so you're going to get enhanced M Sport seats. We have a few different interior trims, and then of course high gloss black exterior content like every other BMW. Getting into the standard features, remote engine start is a new standard feature for the next generation X1. The next best thing is that we now have blind spot monitoring is now a standard feature. A lot more standard features on it compared to last year. Some things that weren't even available are now available. We do have BMW Curved Display Screen, ZEW, is getting a different code from other BMWs. So I think the X1 is getting a slightly different curved display screen. On all the other models like the 3 Series, it's getting code 6WB, and it's a little different here. We also have ambient lighting as a standard feature, automatic power trunk as a standard feature. So there's a lot of things there that are now standard compared to last year. They were optional, which is pretty cool to see that the X1 is definitely stepping up. We also have rear cross traffic alert and the live cockpit plus. And then we're getting into different wheel options. The rest of the ordering guide is just going over how the different wheel options look.
All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're in the Toronto marketplace and you're interested in ordering up one of these X1s to your exact specs, feel free to send me an email down below. I'm happy to help out. Share this video with your friends and family. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate the support. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.